Today, I'll walk you through how to show your availability across multiple Google Calendars, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to manage your schedules effectively so you can streamline your planning and avoid conflicts. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and go to Google Calendar. You can do this by simply searching for Google Calendar in your preferred search engine. This will take you to the main page where all the magic happens. Once you're on the Google Calendar page, you'll see your main calendar interface. Now, look for the option labeled Family on the left side of the screen. Click on it. This will allow you to view events and appointments that are specifically associated with your family calendar. Next, we're going to do the same for your travel calendar. Click on the travel calendar in the same left sidebar. This is where you can manage your trips and travel-related events. Remember, don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. Google updates its interface from time to time, but the core functions remain the same. Now, let's move on to your work calendar. Click on the work calendar. This is crucial for showing your availability across multiple Google Calendars. By selecting this option, you'll be able to see how your work commitments align with your other calendars. This step is essential for ensuring that you don't double book yourself. As you navigate through these calendars, you'll notice how each one displays its events. This visual representation helps you understand your availability at a glance. Think of it like a puzzle, where each piece represents a different aspect of your life. Once you have all your calendars selected, you can easily see when you're free or busy. This way, you can plan meetings or personal events without the stress of overlapping schedules. If you've followed these steps, congratulations! You now know how to show your availability across multiple Google Calendars. This skill will not only help you stay organized, but also enhance your productivity by allowing you to manage your time more effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.